Welcome to our channel where we believe that anyone can be an artist. Whether you're taking your first steps in the world of drawing or looking to improve your skills, we're excited to have you join us on this journey of creative exploration. Our tutorials are designed with the beginner in mind, and will take you through the basics of character design step by step. So grab your pencil, get comfortable, and let's unleash your inner artist together. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome character drawing tutorials, and don't forget to give us a like if you find our videos helpful. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more fun and colorful character drawing tutorials on your Color Fun.